What's up? It's your boy, Beat Up Boy. Welcome back to another vlog on day number 23. You know what I'm saying? You know, like I said in yesterday's vlog, we're taking a rest day today, but I might take a whole rest week from working out so I can just catch up on sleep and all that stuff. But today we're just at the crib, you know what I'm saying? The missus left to go to the gym. And we're gonna do some cleaning today. We talked about it yesterday. She wants me to do the toilets, and she was gonna do the shower that's in there. But I might as well go ahead and just sweep a little bit and mop a little bit, do some dishes like I always do. So, and then later on, we're gonna watch Mufasa at 7. So it's gonna be date night, you know what I'm saying? But I might do some last minute Christmas shopping like I did yesterday. I might go to Walmart up here to get some gift cards and some cards, just, you know, give out to the family and everything. But that's what we're doing today. And I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And if you're new, you already know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your post notification bells on, and like this video before the vlog gets started. Now that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog on this Monday, 2 days before Christmas Day. Yeti! Alright guys, now we're gonna be mopping. Stay home. Alright guys, I just got done sweeping, mopping, washing the dishes. You know, everything is somewhat, if not all the way cleaned. I might do some more cleaning tomorrow, but for right now, I'm just gonna relax on this day off of mine. Might watch a couple movies, play the game a little bit, and then, you know, read the Bible together. Go see Mufasa, and that'll be in the vlog, so keep watching, keep watching. Alright guys, we've made it back to the movie, you know what I'm saying? I personally gave this movie a 4 out of 5. My wife, she gave it a 3 out of 5. Just because of the storyline and everything. So, but it's okay. It's okay though. I still think it's a good overall movie. Now, tomorrow, we might go see Craven in the morning. So I should let y'all know in the beginning of the vlog if I decide to get up that early. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog on this Monday. And thank you for watching. And if you're new, you already know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your post notification bells on, and like this video for me. Until then, I'll see you in the next video, the next vlog. Yiddy!